welcome to this great occasion. I'm particularly honored and extremely happy to have attended this occasion because Shufai inherited the MCC, his particular friend. In fact, Shufai, where should I begin? We were growing up here several years ago. In fact, at the STS here, we ran kiddies here. When we left from here, we went to Sacred Heart and went to Santa College. From there, we continued. Shufai became a doctor. I became an engineer. And today, Shufai is in the US. I'm here. And I'm particularly honored to have been asked to welcome all of you. In fact, when I heard that Shufai became Shufai, I called him up, congratulated him, and warned him that this is responsibility. Responsibility which I know he can take very well because he has been taken up other responsibilities which are not traditional. But then, this traditional responsibility which is taken up, we grew up in it, don't forget part of it. But I know that he is a big student of the Tso culture. He is a very big student of the Tso culture. And I can assure you, I visited him in the US with the children. They are all striving to become citizens as much as possible. Shufai in the US is doing all to keep a BFU and all the title holders there together. To the extent that I would rather confess, I always like watching the BFU manifestations, much more than some of the manifestations we have here. I know that Shufai accepted this because he knows that you get the challenge. And he has challenged some of the top elites who are in the diaspora to rally around him to uphold the culture. And I thank you very much for that. And we hope that this should continue. In fact, I'm not going to talk too much. A lot of people know that, who know me well, know that they should be members.